resistance to get what you want. Hi happy people, Helen from youandhappiness.com. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. It is pretty cold here this morning. I'm here in Nice, Côte d'Azur. Today I want to talk about how to release resistance to get what you want. You need to stop efforting. That's the first thing. And that means that when you want something so badly and you keep on efforting, like I want this, you think about it. A lot of people say you need to constantly think about the same thing, but sometimes that can be extremely counterproductive as well. So when you feel like resistance, or you're actually not getting what you want, or not getting the result that you want, you need to stop efforting and just let go. And that means also that you need to distract yourself. So just focus on something else. And I always say the best thing to focus on is to focus on your purpose. Because your purpose is the thing that's going to evoke happy feelings in you, that's going to evoke that passion in you, and that will then ensure that everything else starts falling into place. Because ultimately, if you follow your purpose, if you do your purpose, then you're fulfilling what you are here on earth for. And then whatever else you think that you might need, be it money, be it a relationship, be it perfect health, longevity, or whatever, then those things will automatically come. So distract yourself. Just do the things that you love to do. I strongly do believe in that, because that is the way I live my life. I just go out every day and I pretty much do what Helen wants to do, which is be like a kid and enjoy life and be out in nature like this, or inspire people, help people, go to my Bikram yoga, which is right there, and cycle on my bicycle down the promenade here like a kid, singing at the top of my lungs, or I don't know, eat something nice that I like to eat, or work on my own self-development. But distract yourself with doing the things that you love to do. Then practice being kind to yourself as well, and being gentle with yourself. Remember, you are like an individuation of the greater consciousness, which means in essence you are already complete. And you need to practice this gentleness, this kindness in your daily life. So when you effort, this is going against that gentleness, because efforting, if you think about it, it's like a hard thing. And if you think about the love vibration, if you focus on the love vibration, then you feel immediately like it's soft, It's soft. When I fast, when I go without food or water, I fast, then I become extremely gentle. That's the same thing, because everything's just flowing, and you're complete in that vibration and that oneness, that feeling, that closeness to source. So practice being gentle with yourself and being kind to yourself. And then you need to revisit your life, the paradigms, the programs that you have formed in your life to release resistance. You need to go back to the drawing board, and you need to see, okay, what thoughts am I thinking? What behaviors are the actions of these thoughts that are not producing the results that I am looking after? Because you're under resistance because you want something. So think about really go sit down, get yourself a book, go sit down and think, okay, hang on. There's no point for me acting the same way I've been acting all this time. I'm not getting the results I want. Maybe just have a look at my life quickly. What am I thinking every day when I wake up? What are all the thoughts that I'm constantly thinking about? And then you write this down and you think, okay, so hang on, so like this, or these are the behaviors. This is the way I'm acting. Because you could kind of possibly like think, okay, you can just keep on going, thinking the same thoughts, doing the same things, and then things are going to change. You hear this all the time. You can't expect things to change if you keep on doing the same thing. Now, go and revisit this. Go back to the drawing board, and then you just write new paradigms for your life and start implementing it. The more you do it, the more you reinforce this, and things will start changing. You will see things will start changing. So this is also a way to release resistance. And then get busy. Again, that ties in with distracting yourself. But if you realize that you have a purpose on this earth, and you focus and you get busy with your purpose, then all these other things that you think, that's part of this 3D reality. Because let's face it, this is a 3D reality. And most of people's problems come from like the limitations of this third dimensional reality. Which is like money, or thinking that you need a relationship, or whatever it is, these are like man-made 3-dimensional limitations. So again, get busy with your purpose, and then you will release this resistance. It's an energetic thing, and there's also techniques that you can practice that can release these blockages of resistance. Techniques like EFT tapping. I do EFT tapping. Also do it with clients. You can release blockages or resistance immediately through emotional freedom techniques. Methods to clear energy blockages. Also, meditation is a very effective way to quickly release resistance. So whatever your spiritual practice is, however you meditate, just make sure that you do not meditate for the sake of meditation, because there's nothing more frustrating or nothing worse than sitting there pretending to meditate, and actually what you are doing is you are then increasing your resistance. Because when I was like practicing meditation on my earlier journey, I would sit there and be like, am I meditating? Am I meditating? Am I meditating? Am I thinking right now? I would be like building up so much resistance because I didn't know what I was doing. So make sure whatever practice you are practicing, calling it meditation for lack of a better word right now, just make sure it works. And how do you know it works? Well, you'll feel it. Your feelings are your guidance system. Okay, so I gave you quite a couple of ways to release resistance. Let me know in the comments if you are practicing any of this, if you've got anything to add to this to release your resistance. For some people it's exercise, just go for a run, clear your head, go do your yoga, call a friend. But if you have your first aid list of how to release resistance, make sure that you practice this, because you don't want to sit with this. You don't want to, because having this resistance is also kind of like a habit that people form and that you can get used to and get stuck in, and this energy that's blocked can cause stress, can cause anxiety, can cause depression. That is not what you want for your life. Happy people, have a lovely day. Until next time, be happy, be free. Remember, I love you and I believe in you. Go to youmeandhappiness.com. I help entrepreneurs be more so that you can achieve more. Bye.